Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use hotkeys in interactive brokers. Hotkeys are powerful shortcuts that allow you to execute trading actions with just a few keystrokes. This can dramatically speed up your trading, giving you a significant edge in fast-moving markets. We will cover everything from basic setup to advanced strategies, helping you become a more efficient trader. To begin, navigate to the Global Configuration menu within your Interactive Brokers platform. Here, you will find the hotkey settings. You can choose from a vast array of predefined actions, such as placing a buy order or canceling all open orders. Simply assign a unique key combination, like Ctrl+B for buy, to each desired function. This setup takes only a few minutes. Once configured, hotkeys allow for incredibly fast execution. Imagine placing a market buy order with just one key press, or instantly canceling all your open orders if market conditions change rapidly. You can also use hotkeys to modify existing orders, adjusting quantities or prices in a fraction of a second. This precision and speed are invaluable for active traders. For advanced users, hotkeys offer even more sophisticated capabilities. You can design custom hotkeys to execute complex multi-leg option strategies or to rapidly scale into and out of positions. Combining hotkeys with predefined order presets allows for lightning-fast execution of your most intricate trading plans. Mastering these advanced techniques can truly elevate your trading performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.